Why high-protein dinners matter?
High-protein dinners help build and repair muscles, keep you feeling full, and support metabolism. By planning protein-rich meals in advance, you can avoid last-minute unhealthy options and make it easier to reach your nutrition goals. These meals are especially useful if you're active, looking to manage your weight, or simply want to fuel your body with balanced nutrition.
Meal prep basics for success.
To start, choose lean protein sources like chicken breast, tofu, fish, beans, or lean beef. Cook in bulk and portion into containers. Include colorful vegetables and whole grains for balance. Use simple seasonings and sauces to keep meals tasty without adding excess calories. Store meals safely in the fridge and reheat throughout the week for quick, nutritious dinners.
Meal 1. Chicken and quinoa stir-fry.
Combine cooked chicken breast with quinoa and plenty of stir-fried vegetables like bell peppers and broccoli. Add a splash of low-sodium soy sauce for flavor. Quinoa adds extra protein alongside the chicken, making this dish both filling and nutrient-dense. This meal reheats well, making it perfect for your weekly rotation.
Meal 2. Salmon and roasted veggies.
Baked salmon is packed with protein and heart-healthy omega-3 fats. Pair it with a mix of roasted vegetables, such as carrots, zucchini, and sweet potato. Prepare several fillets and portion with vegetables for grab-and-go meals that don't sacrifice flavor or nutrition. This combination keeps you satisfied and energized.
Meal 3. Lentil and turkey chili.
Hearty turkey and lentil chili delivers plant and animal protein. Beans, tomatoes, onions, and spices make this meal rich and flavorful. Prepare a large batch on the weekend, then divvy it up for easy dinners. This chili is high in fiber and great for gut health, while also being filling and easy to customize.
Meal 4. Tofu and vegetable curry.
For a meatless option, try a tofu and vegetable curry. Sauté tofu cubes with spinach, peas, and bell peppers in a light coconut curry sauce. Serve over brown rice or quinoa. Tofu is a complete protein, making this meal satisfying for vegetarians and anyone looking to add variety. Prep in advance for quick, wholesome dinners.
Meal 5. Beef and broccoli rice bowls.
Lean beef stir-fried with broccoli and served over brown rice is a classic high-protein dinner. Use lean cuts like sirloin or flank steak and add garlic or ginger for a flavor boost. Divide into portions for a filling meal you can enjoy any night of the week, supporting muscle recovery and satiety.
Make meal prep work for you.
To stay motivated, mix up proteins and swap sides or seasonings each week. Investing a few hours on the weekend means you'll have nutritious, high-protein dinners ready to go. With a solid plan and a few staple recipes, you can save time, reduce stress, and boost your overall health, one meal at a time.